Hello, welcome to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. Chopping and changing the weather through the rest of this week. Some hot weather on the way for a time on Friday, but plenty to get through even before then, because Wednesday will be mostly dry and bright. The wind's not as strong and not as many showers around, certainly compared to Tuesday, when there's still quite a bit of wet weather across the Northern Isles. A blustery and soggy day here. The wind's unusually strong for the time of year. Gusty elsewhere, with plenty of showers over the Highlands, feeding down at times across the south and much of the eastern side. Dry and bright, but it is blustery and it's far from warm. Through the evening and overnight, that rain will tend to ease across Orkney, but we will see wet weather returning to the Northern Isles later on in the night and perhaps pushing back down towards the mainland too. All the while, we'll keep showers through the night across the Highlands and the Western Isles, but elsewhere generally turning dry. Quite a cool, fresh feel, but that wind stopping the temperatures from dropping too far, maybe down to single figures in some sheltered glens, but mostly double digits. To start Wednesday, it will still feel pretty fresh, and we could start pretty soggy over Caithness, Sutherland, Orkney. Some rain for a time across northern Aberdeenshire, but that should finally fizzle out by lunchtime, and then we're just left with a few scattered showers, chiefly again over the Highlands. Much of the rest of the country dry, bright. There'll be some cloud, yes, but some sunny spells as well. And with the winds a bit lighter, it'll feel a bit warmer. Temperatures getting up into the high teens across parts of the south. Through Wednesday evening, well, if anything, it's dry and fine everywhere. The showers continuing to fizzle out over the Highlands, but the cloud increasing down to the southwest. That's a weather system that's approaching that will bring much more clouds across the country on Thursday, and potentially some wet weather too, certainly across the west for a time. Some uncertainty about how much rain we'll see, but it could be a bit of a soggy spell for a time in the west during Thursday. Some of that rain perhaps getting into Edinburgh as well before clearing away. And once it does clear away, it's tied into this weather system. Well, that will then signify some hot weather on the way as high pressure builds in behind, allowing these southerly winds to draw up the warmth. So yes, we could see some rain from this weather system on Thursday, but once that's out of the way, temperatures really rising on Friday. We could see temperatures back into the mid-20s in a few places, and probably generally sunny skies as well before the cloud starts to thicken in the west and things then turn fresher once more as we go into the weekend. As I said, there's plenty going on, chopping and changing day by day. Make sure you stay up to date with the very latest from the Met Office by following us on social media.